Imagine you're sitting in a restaurant in another country. The waiter comes to your table and says, "Are you ready to order?" Would you feel confident or nervous? In the next 10 minutes, you will practice a real restaurant conversation in English. By the end of this lesson, you will understand it, answer questions about it, and speak it naturally. This lesson has 4 powerful parts. Part 1. Listening practice. Part 2. Vocabulary. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Stay until the shadowing section. That's where your pronunciation improves the fastest. Take a deep breath, and let's start thinking in English.
Part 1. Listening practice.
First, just listen. Don't translate. Don't pause. Focus on understanding the situation. Here is the conversation.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Perfect. I'll bring your order shortly.
Good. Now think. Where are they? Yes, in a restaurant. What is Sophia doing? She is ordering food. If it was difficult, listen again later today. Each replay strengthens your listening skills.
Part 2. Vocabulary.
Now let's improve your travel vocabulary.
Recommend. To suggest something because it is good. Examples. Can you recommend a good dish? I recommend the pasta.
She's unavailable. I'd recommend calling tomorrow.
And I'm starving. Do you, recommend anything?
Fathers recommend sons, brothers recommend sisters.
What do you recommend?
Sparkling water. Water with bubbles. Examples. Do you prefer still or sparkling water? She ordered sparkling water.
We have some gorgeous sparkling water here for you tonight.
Sparkling water, champagne, and orange juice.
Want some sparkling water?
Sparkling water?
Shortly. Soon, in a short time. Examples. The food will arrive shortly. The manager will speak to you shortly.
Very shortly thereafter, he messaged me.
Food's up shortly. How are we doing tonight?
For a moment. I'll get you an answer shortly.
Family man. And shortly after my son was born.
Then, shortly thereafter, there was a very...
Now, quick question. Do you prefer still water or sparkling water? Comment your answer below. Speaking and writing in English helps your brain remember faster.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice.
Now it's your turn. Answer before I say the answer. Speak out loud. Ready?
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. What do you recommend?
Did the waiter ask Sophia if she was ready to order? Yes, he did. He asked her if she was ready to order. Did Sophia know what she wanted at first? Yes, she did. She said she thought so. What did Sophia ask the waiter? She asked what he recommended.
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
What dish did the waiter recommend? Grilled chicken. He recommended the grilled chicken. Did Sophia order the grilled chicken? Yes, she did. She ordered the grilled chicken.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water.
Did the waiter ask if she wanted something to drink? Yes, he did. He asked if she wanted anything to drink. What did Sophia order to drink? A glass of water. She ordered a glass of water.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Did she choose sparkling water? No, she didn't. She chose still water.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Did Sophia order anything else? No, she didn't. She said that was all for now.
Perfect. I'll bring your order shortly.
What did the waiter say at the end? He said he would bring her order shortly.
Excellent. If you answered quickly, your listening is improving. If you hesitated, repeat this section tomorrow. Fluency is built with repetition, not perfection.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Now we train your pronunciation. Shadowing means you repeat immediately after the speaker. Copy the rhythm, copy the stress, copy the speed. Let's begin.
Good evening. Are you ready to order? Our grilled chicken is very popular. Would you like anything to drink? Still or sparkling? Anything else? Perfect. I'll bring your order shortly.
Yes, I think so. What do you recommend? That sounds good. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Yes, I'll have a glass of water. Still water, please. No, that's all for now.
Very good. Repeat this shadowing part 3 times. That is how you start sounding natural. You just completed a full restaurant English practice lesson. If you repeated every sentence, comment, "I'm ready to order." Watch this lesson again tomorrow for stronger fluency. And if you want more daily English speaking practice for travel, subscribe and continue with the next conversation lesson on this channel. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.